So we now draw the x-axis like this, and pencil lid should be pointed, and don't just press it more or draw it very dark, so that by mistake if you require to erase it, then you can erase it properly. But while drawing only, be very careful so that no requirement is there to erase. So this is our x-axis. Mark it x, where we are going to take the qualitative measures, that is the shopper's name. Then this is where we are going to start drawing the y-axis like this. Okay, here we go. Just extend the line. And mark it here, y-axis. This is the origin, right? Now we'll just have to keep equal distance between the two bars, right? It's a single bar graph, so we can leave one unit and the next unit take it for the first bar, then leave one unit, take the fourth unit for the second bar. So I'll make a mark like this, and our first bar represents man, M-A-N, man. Then leave one unit and go for woman. Then leave one unit and go for third, that is boy, and then comes girl. Is that clear? Here you label it shoppers. Every detail you have to write on the graph paper. What you are taking on x-axis, what you are going to take on y-axis. Y-axis you are going to take frequency. You write down frequency. If you don't understand what to write, you should know that tally marks, numbers represent frequency. तो हमने frequency लिख लिया यहाँ पे, और अभी आपको देखना है कि मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है और मिनिमम क्या है, उसके हिसाब से हम स्केल y-axis का लेंगे. Here you can see maximum is 28, minimum is 5, so you can go for 5, 5. 1 unit is equal to 5 shoppers ले सकते हैं. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Okay, so somewhat like this we start with scale. 1 unit 5 shopper. तो ये 5 हुआ. Here it will be 5 plus 5, 10, and then this is going to be 15, this is going to be 20, 25 and 30. हो गया? This is the frequency we require till 30 because maximum is 28, and here we write towards the right hand side corner of the graph. Just see till what height you require, and then towards the right hand side corner you write down scale y-axis. One unit is equal to, we have taken 5 shoppers. Is that clear? This has to be mentioned. So everything is complete. We have noted y-axis. We have also written here x. We have taken qualitative measures on the x-axis, that is name of the category of the shoppers. and we have taken frequency on y axis. Okay, now we begin to draw the bar. Here you can see man. What is the frequency? 15. So man, 15 soppers were men, and so we draw it like this. 15 is here and this portion represents man. So let's draw it. तो हुआ ऐसे, अभी ड्रॉ करो like this. This is your Kit Kat bar. Shade it. 15 men had gone for shopping. Now comes women. Women 28. तो चलते हैं. This is 25. Then 26, 27, 28. Because actually there are in one unit 10 lines are there. But when you take 1 unit is equal to 5 stopper. That means when you divide 10 lines by 5, you get 2. Every 2 line represents 1 stopper. Is that clear? आप कैसे find out करोगे the value of 1 line और 2 line? तो आपको क्या करना है कि एक यूनिट में कितने लाइंस हैं. टोटल 10 लाइंस. हमने एक यूनिट में कितने शॉपर्स फ्रीक्वेंसी वी हैव टेकन 5. Here we have taken 5 stoppers. So total lines divided by the frequency taken for 1 unit. So 10 divided by 5. What do you get? 2. That means every 2 line represents 1 stopper. इसलिए 25 के बाद 2 छोटे छोटे लाइन stands for 26. Then और 2 लाइन 27 और 2 लाइन 28. So here we go. This is 28 and in front of women we go here 28. I had marked it and so you mark it like this 28. Horizontal line I have stroke I have drawn. Now the vertical lines of the bar. ऐसे आप जोड़ोगे और इसको शेड कर लो. डिज़ाइन आपको कौन से डालने हैं वो आप खुद तय कर लेना. इट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू ड्रॉ, बट बी वेरी केयरफुल वाइल ड्रॉइंग द बार्स. यूज़ योर स्केल टू ड्रॉ स्ट्रेट लाइन्स. I don't want clumsy bar or dirty, filthy. It should be drawn systematically and marks depends on your cleanliness and the systematically drawn graph. Cleanliness मतलब ये नहीं कि कोई भी का बार ग्राफ ड्रॉ किए बिना पूरा बुक प्लेन रख के बोल दिया हमने cleanliness मेंटेन किया. Don't do that. हाँ, अब हुआ बॉयज़. नंबर ऑफ बॉयज़ 5 और नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स 12. चलो देखते हैं किस तरह से करना है. सो यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट व्यू ऑफ द बार ग्राफ.